Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is my morning cleaning routine, so it's packed with morning cleaning motivation to help you get your morning started in the best possible way. So don't forget to leave today's video a thumbs up and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel using the red subscribe button down below, and let's just jump straight into it. So no two mornings are ever the same in this house, except for making the bed. I do try and make the bed every single morning because it helps set me up for the rest of the day, and it just makes the whole bedroom look so much more cozy. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed, and then I can stick a wash load in. It's only a very small wash load today because I needed to get some face masks washed, but there wasn't really a whole lot of laundry to do with them, so I thought I should just go ahead and do what's there. Even though it's only about half a wash load, at least it's done and out the way. So I'm just going to crack on with that, and then I can carry on with the kitchen. And the kitchen is definitely the room that I like to get done first thing in the morning, because I hate having a dirty kitchen and I just can't really do anything else in the kitchen when it's messy. So first thing I want to do this morning is get the washing up done and just get the kitchen nice and fresh and clean, ready for the day. So I used to always make sure that I did the washing up before I went to bed, but lately I've been slacking and I've just been leaving it until the morning, and it's the worst feeling walking into the kitchen in the morning and seeing the dinner plates from the night before. I don't know why I've got into this habit, but I've really got to get myself out of it because I hate having to do all the washing up in the morning. Normally there's still washing up to be done because there always is in this house, but it's alright when it's just a few cups and glasses, but I don't like having dinner plates left, so I don't know why I keep doing that. I think I just get a bit too comfortable in the evening. We just sit down and watch the telly and that's it then. I don't want to get back up again. So I need to try and wash up as soon as we've eaten and try and get myself out of this cycle.
Saying yeah, I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts.
So once it's all washed up, I do want to go ahead and dry it up straight away and get it all put away. I don't want to start the day with a draining board full of washing up. I'd rather have a nice decluttered kitchen to start the day with. So I'm just going to put away the few bits that I had left on the side and then get everything dried up. So once I have all that put away, I can then go in with my Flash kitchen spray and just give everything a good wipe over. I've got it in the scent Mandarin and it smells so good. It's so fresh. I love the citrus smells in the kitchen. So I'm just going to wipe everything over and make it nice and fresh for the day before we then go in and do the sink. Of course, I'm going to be using my favourite product because I use that all the time. So whenever I do the sink, the chances are I'm using the Cif cream, and that's what I'm using today, along with the white vinegar spray and a dry microfiber cloth just to buff it up and make it nice and shiny. So once I had that done, it was time to sort out Cinnabon's greens. I've already given him his breakfast. He has pellets in the morning as well as obviously an abundance of hay, but I do give him greens on top as well, especially when it's days where I empty his litter tray, and that is today. I try and do it every other day, and I always give him his greens just before I change his litter tray because it just keeps him busy whilst I'm doing it, because otherwise he's hopping around me and just getting in the way. So I do this to just distract him. So I'm just going to go ahead and sort this out for him so we can go ahead and do the litter tray and just get that corner nice and clean. So he never runs faster than he does when he wants his greens. He is straight there, he smells them straight away. So now he is occupied in the front room. I can go ahead, change his litter tray, disinfect everything and disinfect the corner as well, and just make it nice and clean so he has a fresh one for the day.
Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up, turn it.
So the next thing I do in the morning is sort out the front room. As you can see, it's looking very dishevelled. It's like this every single morning. Everything just gets thrown all over the place. So I just need to go in and sort out any blankets and cushions, get rid of any rubbish and just set it up for the day.
Trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune.
So next on my list this morning is to do the hoovering, and because I've emptied the litter tray, hay has gone literally everywhere. So I'm using my corded hoover today just because it's extra powerful and it will save me having to empty out the cordless more often. But I am going to go ahead and link both of those in the description box if you do want to check them out, because I definitely recommend both of them. But I'm just going to go ahead now and do the kitchen and the front room and just get it nice and clean, because I don't think you could tell how much hay it was all over the place. And then I can go in and give the kitchen floor a good mop as well, because I did change the litter tray on the kitchen floor, and I've started doing that rather than where the litter tray actually is, just because it's so much easier to clean up afterwards. And like I said, I can go in and mop the floor and disinfect it and everything, and it's just so much easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and just get everything nice and fresh. So the final thing that I needed to get done this morning before I could stick the kettle on and make a cup of tea is to hang up the washing. And like I said before, there wasn't a lot to do. There's only about half a wash load, but because I had to wash the face masks anyway and the washing machine was being put on anyway, I thought I may as well just get these few bits done. So I'm just going to go ahead now and hang all those up so it's ready to put away tomorrow.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to leave today's video a thumbs up and also subscribe using the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you back here in the next one.
shut the lights, go